everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fake laugh but make it sound real. And this will be a full tutorial with super easy instructions. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do to fake laugh. So without further ado, here are the 5 things that you can do, and they will allow you to fake laugh, but it will sound sort of as real as it can possibly sound. Now, for whatever reason, I don't know why you want to fake laugh, but let's just say you want to fake laugh because like you want to impress somebody or whatever the case is. But if you want to fake laugh and you want to try and make it sound as real as possible, this is the video for you. All right, starting with number 1, ending at number 5. Let's begin with number 1. Number 1 is use natural imperfections in laughing. So you want to use natural imperfections in laughing. That's number 1. Number 1 is use natural imperfections in laughing. So if I laugh genuinely, you'll see it's different, right? It's okay? That's my natural laugh, right? I did a little bit of a wheezing in there, right? It works. That's how we laugh naturally. There are imperfections. When you fake laugh, we have a tendency to just it doesn't sound natural. It doesn't sound real. So get some imperfections in there. Just see, I fake laugh there, but I just I added some imperfections. It makes it sound more natural, makes it sound more authentic, makes it sound real. Okay, moving on to number 2. Number 2 is smile. If you're fake laughing and you're not smiling, it's not going to look real. You got to smile. Smile. And don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. No. No. Okay, that's an example of me overdoing it. Don't overdo it. Keep it genuine, calm, normal, like a natural smile. Your normal smile. Whatever your normal smile is, put it in there. It'll make it sound real. It'll make it look real. It'll be convincing. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is incorporate some body movements. So when you laugh, if you're still, it looks fake. Even if I do the other stuff, right? If I stay still, it looks fake. You gotta not too much. Nothing like that. That's too much. That's too much. Just a normal amount. I can't keep a straight face when I do these things. Just a normal amount of body movements, right? Like genuine, like that's a good one. Where the head can go back for a second. The head can go up. Nothing like that. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Oh man, I feel like there's so many moments in this video that could turn into a meme because of the ridiculous things that I'm doing. So if you're down for it and you're up for it, just go ahead, go nuts, and just take these moments and just turn them into memes because, you know, that would be pretty cool. Anyways, I was a meme once, actually. I was a meme once for a while. It was a pretty popular meme, and then as far as I know, I haven't been a meme again. So, hey, I'm here. I'm here to be memed. Anyways, moving on to number 4. Number 4 is let it get more subtle. When we laugh, we don't keep the same. We make it more. It sort of gets more subtle as we exhale, as we let out breath. Just like that. That's all. It gets more subtle as we let out our breath. So just let it sort of die down and get more subtle as you are doing, as you're talking, as you're talking, as you're laughing. That's all. Let it get more subtle as you're laughing, not talking as you're laughing. Anyways, moving to the last one for this video, number 5. Number 5 is don't overdo it. If you try to overdo it, it's not going to sound genuine. It's going to sound fake. Just try to not overdo. Be relaxed. I know you might be fake laughing because you might be nervous or something, right? But try to be relaxed. Try to not overdo it. Try to be genuine. It'll sound more real by doing that. So just don't overdo it. And that's truly it. And like I said, I was a meme once before. I haven't been a meme since. But there's probably a lot of like moments in this video, like 1-second moments or 2. There's another one for you. There's a couple, I'm sure, of moments in this video that are very memeable. So, like I said, you know, I would love to be a meme one more time. So, by all means, you could take a second or 2 and just you can take those and make them memes. I'm sure there's lots of opportunities. Anyways, and if you do create a meme of me, please send it to me, please, because I would love to see it. Okay, I would absolutely love to see it. Anyways, that's basically it for this video. You know, you want to laugh, fake laugh and make it sound real. I've shown you, told you exactly how to do it. And like I said, I'm very memeable, so what you waiting for? Anyways, that's truly it. I got nothing else to say for this video tutorial, so I am going to officially roll the outro for this video tutorial. So here's the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.